Hey everyone, it's 11:26 a.m. on Saturday, July 31st, 2021, and I know this looks like a Hunter Studio Series remote, but it isn't. If you look at the switch housing, notice there's a pull chain coming out of it. It's what I call the Hunter Reed Special, or if I really want to get creative, call it the Zealy and Opal. I'll explain later on that, but having to do with Zealy and Opal, Pennsylvania. But anyway, this almost looks like the Hunter Integra model, kind of obscure, one of those obscure 90s models that came standard with a sort of a bowl light, but not like the common kind we see today. But the motor itself was a Piedmont, the internal motor, and I got bored because the Piedmont I got, it wasn't all there. I thought, like, well, you know, the remote unit wasn't really functioning on the Studio Series remote, so I just took the Campy motor housing from a Studio Series remote that I parted out. I mean, I do have another antique brass one that was here, but it didn't come from that one. See, it's legit Hunter right there on the sideband, and Hunter. Yep. Call it a Frankenfan, call it what you will, but it looks pretty stock. I mean, Hunter was notorious for making these weird concoctions in the 1990s that, you know, they call these different models for like certain stores and whatnot. They put like housings from other popular models on it, kind of. I think Fasco did that with some of their fans, relabeled them Spartan, I guess. Someone could fill me in on that there. And here, I'll show you the reverse switch or add it. Capsule shaped vents, oak blades, and you can see walnut on the other side. Kind of prefer an oak out here, but the blades came off, like the blades in the motor housing came off a Studio Series remote. But so yeah, it's one of my latest concoctions here. So without further ado, let's rev it up, first on low. My neighbor's out mowing the grass. So that's what it's a perfect day for it. After all the abundance of rain we've been getting. It really shouldn't rain for another 2 years, really, but that's beside the point. Got a nice aesthetic low to it. And medium. I feel like a bit of a breeze on medium. Now let's bump it up to high, shall we? It's not the greatest air mover, but it does okay. I don't know if it's got capacitor issues or not, but I'll probably have to take it down and look at it. I don't know if you notice any, it's probably not significantly different RPM from medium though. And now let's do spin down. Do spin down. Bearings are good on this fan, by the way. They're really good. I actually do have a Hunter Integra series that I purchased a couple years ago. I haven't hung it yet. Another one of my backlogs, and this is another backlog. It was kind of one that I invented when I was bored. It's got really good spin down time. That's one good thing about this fan. Blades aren't in the best of shape either, but they appear to be well balanced. It's really taking its time, going down at turtle speed. Well, it's a turtle compared to most of my other fans on high, mind you. Okay, that being said, fan has ceased operation. This concludes the broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.